5 months ago, the buds were just starting to emerge. It is difficult to believe where the summer has gone. Our buckets of tomatoes have been thoroughly cleaned, and the remaining unripe tomatoes are now neatly arranged on the cabin railing. The wood is stacked, waiting for cold weather. Today, in the middle of September, the leaves are rapidly changing, and fall is nearly upon us. This time, every year, we prepare for our annual fall camping trip. This excursion will include my cousin Jeff and Diane, our friends Al and Connie, and TL's son and his girlfriend Hailey. Due to the duration of this trip, we'll be taking the truck camper and pulling our ATV trailer, which will be transporting our kayaks. We are hoping for an exceptional trip to experience the vibrant fall colors, so please join us as we prepare for our trip and head to our favorite camping spot. It is exciting to have my ATV back to normal. The ATV is 4 years old and the battery has been questionable for the last 6 months. Jeff arrived late that evening. The following morning, we completed packing and commenced our voyage to Charleston Lake Provincial Park to start our vacation.
As you are aware, traditionally, Brad and I prefer crownland camping. However, with family and friends visiting for the week-long camping excursion, we will be attending Charleston Lake Provincial Park, where there is exceptional kayaking, fishing, and hiking. This is one of our favorite provincial parks.
Did you find them? Yeah. So does that count?
All right, the whole clan is here right now. We got Al down here. He just came in, and he is setting up his camp. He's going to be tenting us, so we got to videotape this.
Where'd they go now?
Here, let me help you.
You can hit them, Al. You get poles.
Right.
Bradley.
The stress is on. The side view is not so good. Adds a extra weight on you.
With the tarp, looking for the fly.
I don't know what he's doing here. So just to keep everyone up to date, this is day 2 of the tent that took almost 7 hours to put up. And let me tell you, Al, let's talk about this. So you forgot to fly. Well, he's not even going to face me anymore because he's just so embarrassed. He's dressing up as a tent for Halloween. I have the video of the true costume. Anyways, needless to say, he took control of the situation here, which is fantastic. So I'm an expert at doing slip knots. Needless to say, guess what? Someone had to replace him because it was not a good slip knot. So it's been a complicated night. Do you have extra line that can come this way? I'm just going to tie it onto this guy. Okay, perfect. Just tie it onto that piece right there.
Just tie it on anywhere here?
Yeah, so it tightens up the whole thing. Perfect.
Yay! Hang on, let's get a bit of a picture here, Connie. Papa. I need the flash on because it wasn't on.
Here, Chion, get in.
And we are with Al and Maddy, and they're right behind us. And Al's going to try getting in the kayak, so we have to go video this because this is going to be hilarious.
You want to stay as low as possible. Well, yeah, try and...
Look at that, Maddy got in with success.
They're pretty stable.
It's the other one we're going to have fun with, though. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Al up there, Al Moss. He's going to be attempting his first attempt here at Charleston Lake Provincial Park, trying to get into his kayak. Yep. We are here live, on location.
You wanted to see it.
Yeah, so we've had many people asking about this one, so here you got it. We drove 5 hours to this location just for this special day.
They asked for Fonzie to jump over 14 garbage cans.
Yeah. Well, here we go.
We're going to see Al get into a kayak.
He's
got the paddles upside down.
There you go, that's better.
Flip them over.
Other way. So the pelican, yeah.
You can
Yeah,
read
that
pelican.
way.
Pelican's upside down. Yeah.
Oh, son
That's
of a
good.
gun.
All right, here comes the first attempt, ladies and gentlemen.
First attempt.
He's still dry.
Watch and learn, Bradley. Watch and learn. Stay low.
Center balance over top.
We're focusing. We're zooming in here. Getting a bird's eye view. Here it starts.
Okay, hang
I
on.
wish I had my camera. I want my camera.
I gotta re-torque. Oh, that hurt.
There might not be enough film on this SD card to be able to capture this one moment.
Okay.
He's thinking. He's thinking. He obviously didn't YouTube this prior to coming here, so.
That's what I said. Why don't you just take your sandals off? Your sandals get wet, or take them off. Go barefoot.
Yeah, but I don't. That might work.
I'm going to go barefoot. And my shoes are going to stay over here on the dock and stay dry. Because I plan on getting wet. Just my feet. But the water's warm. It's not cold.
But I want to do this without getting wet. I can do it.
I know you can. You should have your paddle in your hand and use that for stability too, right? Maybe.
He did it. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a success. He's in. Pure accident there.
I'm probably going to help Diane.
Get Jeff on video.
Oh, he's a pro.
He wants to go.
We have a bald eagle on the island over here that just flew over towards Diane.
Does he have a fish finder?
Yeah.
No, it's his GoPro.
All right. We are back here at Charleston Lake, and we are in our kayak, and we're going to try doing some fishing. We're going to be using a split Rapella here with 2 small hooks, and right now I got a little stuck in my finger. There we go. Now I have a little frog on here, so let's get rid of the frog. Let's hope.
There it is, right there.
There we go. So right in some weeds here, so hopefully we attract some fish. It's late morning, but it's cool enough. Look at that. I'm 1 for 1. Oh, let's get this little boy off of here. Oh, you poor little thing. Let's get you, okay. Little guy. Just letting everybody know my cousin caught his kayak. So now he had to get out Yeah. Sometimes he's an embarrassment to take away, but...
That's it. He's going in, TL. I don't care where he's trying to fucking land his fucking kayak. He's going in. The fucking gauntlet's thrown down.
Oh, listen to him bitch over there. Just whining like a kid. We have some beautiful swans. Look at the size of those. They're beautiful.
Relax, buddy. Hi. Hi, Daddy. Got a picture? Did you get a good picture?
I got these things too. You ever use these?
No, I've never used that. Have you?
You got any of these?
No, but you want to use that one?
Yeah.
Because I already have it on. I already have my other stringer tied in my boat with the other guy.
There we go.
And I just tied it.
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Did a couple tail walks on the water. I was like, woo! What's in here? Paper, the cardboard tray, the lid, TL, that's the bass.
That's your bass?
That's the bass.
That evening, we savored an exceptional meal.
It's your
We
bass.
had perch, bass, onion rings, and potatoes. After dinner, the team gathered around the fireplace to discuss their daily adventure, and we called it a night. All right, here we are, back here at Charleston Lake, chapter number 2, and everyone's loading in their kayaks. We've already had one little episode, but we did not catch that one on video. But just to pre-warn everyone, we do have Al coming down here. I don't know what number on the list he is, but we will let you know.
That's flat over there too.
Ladies and gentlemen, and the show now begins. And look at the hat he's got. He's even got his wife's hat on.
Hey, where you going? Get out of here. Get out of here.
I thought you were going to do the
Connie, you can't block the view.
I am going to block that view.
Block the view. Block the view.
Okay, yours has all the food and the drink, so you cannot get that wet.
Oh, this is going to be a success. Darn it.
Oh, jeez.
I got to zoom in on that face, though. That morning, the skies cleared, making it a beautiful day for a kayak trip. The objective was to kayak along the backcountry trails to a beautiful clearing to have lunch and then do some fishing.
All this is with the picnic tables right there.
I'm trying to get more stuff. So that I realize I'm not going to fall.
We made it.
Everybody had everybody took
And then I put her in the water, and then I realized.
And you know, this one here, look, he's already stripping down because he's, oh yeah, right. We made a special sandwich for Al here. Yeah, we already got that. So how was it?
Delicioso.
I made it just for you. It had your hot peppers, had your pickles, and some cheese in it. And that was it. Vegetarian.
Oh, so Brad actually made me one out of the love of his heart.
He did.
He did.
Whose writing is that?
Brad.
He loves you.
Baby.
All right, we just had another amazing day here on Charleston Lake. Spent the whole afternoon, went for a nice picnic, tried to do some fishing. We failed at that. Ozzy's tired, all the other dogs are tired, so we're gonna be heading in, and we are going to make a beautiful steak dinner. 12 ounces. Beautiful steak with some potatoes and all the fixings. So we'll see you guys back at the campground.
That evening, we prepared dinner and concluded the night, exhausted from the fresh air and the extraordinary kayak trip. The following morning, we awoke to a balmy day. In today's fast-paced world, you must take advantage of opportunities to slow down and reflect on the week's accomplishments. That morning, Diane and TL decided to go fishing. They experienced success. However, the fish were not substantial enough to keep and fry for that afternoon. The next morning, we packed up and concluded our 5-day camping excursion. It's unfortunately knowing that this could possibly be our last camping trip of the season. Where has the summer gone? Soon, we'll be pulling out our heavy winter gear, clearing our runway, and collecting wood to keep the fire stoked every day. TL and I drove back to the cabin with Jeff following. We both admired the beautiful fall colors of the season and attempted to hang on to these last few minutes before reality sits in. Winter is coming.